Speaking practice for so and such. Listen to the sentence, then pause the video and repeat after me. Think about the structure we studied. Train your brain to master so and such. Let's begin. The iPhone was such an amazing invention. It really changed the world. The food was so bad that we complained to the manager of the restaurant. Nina and I had such a wonderful time in Vietnam. We didn't want to come home. It only took us 10 minutes to get to your house. I didn't realize you lived so close to us. The 9/11 terrorist attacks in New York were such a shock that most people remember exactly what they were doing at the time. Gina, you're such a sweet little girl. Paul is so strong that he can lift me above his head. He's got such big muscles. Oh my God, it's so late. Let's go home now. Mahatma Gandhi was such an inspirational man that he peacefully led his country to independence. Tim just got back from Las Vegas. He lost so much money on gambling that he is worried about telling his wife. London is a great city to live in, but it's so expensive. Usain Bolt sprints so quickly that the other athletes have almost zero chance to win. As a doctor, you can earn so much money, but it's such a stressful job. Our dog died last week. Philip is so sad that he can't stop crying. The neighbors are driving me crazy. Their music is so loud, the walls are starting to shake. Your English is so fluent now. How did you improve so rapidly? Hi, Mike. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to be late. There is such a lot of traffic on the roads today. Kevin, it's so nice to see you again. Hi, Roy. I haven't seen you for such a long time.